Today, I'm about to show you how to make a rich, smooth, and absolutely delicious creamy carrot pasta. Carrots like you've never had them before.
If you're expecting a visitor and you're thinking of what to make for them, here is the perfect food idea for you. Carrot pasta. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Didi Ekanem. You're very much welcome. Thank you for joining us. Now, without much ado, let's jump right into the video. So for our carrot pasta, we are going to be using Tatashe and Shumbo. We are also going to be using lots of carrots. We are going to be using some bell peppers. We are using chicken as the protein. We are using Scotch bonnet pepper, onions. We are also going to be using paprika, curry. We are using some thyme as well. We are using some seasoning cubes, and that will be all. Now to begin, we are going to add some of the Tatashe and Shumbo into a pot. You're not going to use everything. It depends on the quantity of pasta you want to make. We're also going to add the bell peppers in here as well. The bell pepper is going to give the pasta a very sweet taste. So we are also going to add onions to the pot. We're going to add some Scotch bonnet peppers in here. Ginger, of course, I need that ginger taste. A little bit of oil, vegetable oil, precisely. Put on the fire. And then put the pot on fire. So you're also going to add a little water to it. The water is going to help it boil without burning. So while the pepper mix is on fire, we are going to go ahead and cut our carrots into tiny pieces to blend. Now, the amount of carrot you use depends on the quantity of pasta you want to make. Because this is called carrot pasta, so I am going to use a lot of carrots because I really want the carrot taste to be exaggerated in my pasta. So I'm going to transfer the carrot into a blender. Add some water. Whew, the noise of the blender is so soothing. 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 Is it soothing? Soothing. 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 Okay. Ooh. Isn't this just like smoothie? I'm going to have a taste, obviously. Now to steam our chicken, we are going to blend onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, and ginger. Meanwhile, if you want to use garlic, if you like garlic, if you eat garlic, you can also incorporate garlic into this recipe, okay? So we are going to blend onions. This pasta is going to be spicy. Add some water. The pepper mix is ready, so we are going to blend it. So I'm going to transfer the pepper mix into a bowl, set it aside for when I'm going to use it. Ooh. Now to steam the chicken, I'll be using this pot without washing it because I still want the flavor of the pepper mix to absorb into the chicken. Curry and paprika. Then add thyme. Chicken seasoning. Beef Knorr. Add the blended liquid. Stir it nicely to combine. Cover the pot and put it on fire to steam. So we are going to allow the chicken to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes to release its own juice so that all the herbs, the seasoning, the ingredients can absorb very well into the chicken.
After steaming the chicken, I'm going to toss it into the air fryer to air fry it for about 5 to 10 minutes because I don't want the chicken to be really dry. And then I'm going to turn the chicken stock into a bowl, set it aside for when I'm going to use it. Now it's time to make our delicious creamy carrot pasta. In a pan, I'm going to heat up some oil and then add my onions. I'm going to fry the onions for 3 minutes. I don't want the onions to be golden brown and I also don't want it to burn. I just want it to be well fried enough to release that sweet onions flavor. And then I'm going to move on to add the blended pepper mix, which is a Tatashe and Shumbo. And I'm going to allow that to fry for another 5 minutes to eradicate any form of tanginess. Once the pepper mix is well fried, I will proceed to add the blended carrots. Now here is the trick, because I am making creamy carrot pasta, so I am using more of the blended carrots than the pepper mix. After adding the blended carrots, I am going to stir nicely to combine to make sure they marry each other very well. And then I'll proceed to add some seasoning. After adding the seasoning, I am going to stir it nicely to combine and then allow it to cook together with the pepper mix for another 5 minutes. I'm sure you're wondering, what is this going to taste like? Honey, the taste is out of this world. Now it is time to add the chicken stock. This chicken stock is what is going to take this creamy carrot pasta to the next level. The chicken stock is packed with flavor. It is going to give it that rich, savory taste that will make every bite yummy and delicious. So after adding the chicken stock, I'm going to stir that nicely to combine and allow that to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the oil starts to float on top. Once the oil begins to float on top, just know that the creamy carrot base is ready. Now it's time to prepare my pasta. As usual, in a hot boiling water, I'm going to add some salt and then go in with my pasta without breaking it. Yes, we don't break pasta here. If you've watched this video up to this point, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Share the video to your family and friends. I would also like to read your comments. And most importantly, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Now the pasta is ready and I'm going to add it to the creamy carrot base. After adding the pasta, I am going to stir it nicely to combine and then allow it to simmer down for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the ingredients can absorb very well into the pasta. And here we are. Our creamy carrot pasta is ready. Just look at how creamy, how juicy, how rich and how delicious it is. Honestly, it tastes so good and absolutely worth trying at home. This creamy carrot pasta is packed with flavor and it is super healthy, to say the least. You need to try this recipe, guys. You honestly need to try it. Once you try it, you will never stop making it, especially for your kids, because they are going to love it. They're so going to enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye guys.